The human mind has conquered so many challenges over the last century, thanks to the brilliant efforts of scientists, technologists, engineers, and mathematicians. We've reached below the Earth and into the stars. With 75% of today's rising careers demanding STEM skills, we know the future needs more STEM-interested students from this rising generation. Imagine if kindergarten to 12th grade students got their hands dirty with engaging STEM activities that got them excited about pursuing a career where STEM skills are needed, whether they are in class, hybrid, or distance learning. Although integrating STEM into a school's curriculum can be challenging, it doesn't have to be impossible. That's why we created MimioSTEM at Boxlight. We've designed 3 STEM products for K-12 students, including 3D printing and design thinking with Robo 3D printers, robotics and coding with MyBot robots, and sensor technology experiments with Labdisc portable STEM labs. And with our curriculum platform, MyStemKits.com, we integrate over 350+ lessons of engaging curriculum from all 3 products into one single sign-on platform that is compatible with any device. That way, whether you start with one or all 3 MimioSTEM devices, you have one place to go for all your Common Core, NGSS, and state standards-driven curriculum. What does this mean for you? This makes STEM in the classroom or through distance hybrid learning become easy. Head over to MyStemKits.com, choose your product, access training videos, and our library of curriculum. Join the MimioSTEM community today, where we make STEM education simple.